Harper & Company, and today we have a very honorary guest, Sarah. She's going to help us be making these awesome flower pens. Now, what you're going to be needing is a pen of any kind. You cannot use the clip pens because those won't work, and you can also use a pencil if you'd like. You also need one of these awesome fake flowers that come in any size and shape and variation. You'll also need some of this tape. It's called floral tape that you can find at most of your craft stores, and it's rough and the perfect green for our situation. And you'll also need some normal Scotch tape. You can find this around your house or at almost any store. And just for help of cutting the green tape, you will need scissors. Now let's get to it. The first step is take your pen, like so, and grab your flower, your fake flower. Now take the stem, put it to the pen, take the flower and put it to the pen, like so. Now grab just a simple piece of tape and put it together like so that they stick together. You can also do two pieces if you'd like. Like that. And you would like to make sure that this hard part right here, that is above this part so that it's easier for it to sit. And next part.
Okay, so this is when you'll be needing your floral tape and scissors. So right now we have this. So you're going to get the end of your floral tape and you're going to be putting it around the pen like this. And you're going to wind it around until it feels secure, and then you're going to start winding it up. Okay, so now that we reach the top, like this, you can either tape it, cut it right here and tape it to the pen body, or you can do it through the pen and right here, see? I'm going to do that. Like this. And then you're going to use your scissors and cut it right there. See?
Now, here is what our flower pen looks like. Thanks for watching, and hope you like all your flower pens that you made. Bye!